Fold your elastic in half. Place it 2 inches from the top of your center piece. Pin it in place. You're going to place your right side on top with the right sides matching, sew together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Open it up and you're going to put the left side over top. This is going to be your back, and you're going to match those edges and sew that together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. We're going to press these seams that you just sewed towards the inside. I did not plug my iron in for this because I would not iron on my mat, and I do not recommend it. Be careful as you're pressing this side to avoid the elastic because you will scorch it. You're going to press the fusible fleece to the back side. You're going to anchor your bookmark at the top. You're going to sew some top stitches from the top to the bottom where the spine joins the front. Your inside pockets, we're going to fold in half and press hot dog style. You're going to place them on either side of your journal cover with the folds facing the inside. Then you'll place your lining piece on top with the pretty side towards the inside. This is going to be sewing multiple layers, so be careful that you pin everything in place really well because it will slide on you if it is not anchored properly. Then you're going to sew along all 4 sides of your project with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. If you have a walking foot, I do recommend it, but it is not necessary. Once that is sewed, you will reduce your seams by clipping your corners, making sure not to snip the threads and the stitch lines that you created. This will just make these corners lay nice and flat once we have things turned right side out. Then you are going to turn things right side out, poking out all those corners. If you have a chopstick or some sort of returning tool, I recommend it. Don't do anything pointy because we don't want to poke through the edges. Then you're going to press all of your seams nice and flat. And this is what it's going to look like. To put your book on the inside, your composition book, you just slide the covers into the flaps on the inside of your journal cover. This project makes a great gift. Everybody in your life probably should have one.